Where's the ball? Hurley, no. Hurley, no. Give it back to Caden. Big ball. Big ball. What is that? Big ball. You throwing it? Oh, down with Hurley's tail, huh? Oh, did it get you in the eye? Whose tail got you, huh? You okay? You're okay. Get the ball. Get the ball. Without getting hit by his tail again. What? Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Where's that moon? Is it out yet? Look at that messed up hair, huh? It's from a day of hard play and dinners and Hurley licking you. Where? Do you see it? Do you see the moon? Oh! Bump! What? Where? Where's the moon? I don't see it. Oh. Where? Well, Hurley just won't leave you alone. Blast off! Blast off! What?